Washing your lace front wig is super important. It keeps it looking its best. A clean wig looks more natural and beautiful. Dirt and oil can build up on the wig. This makes it look dull. Washing removes the dirt. Washing also helps your wig last longer. It prevents damage to the hair fibers. When your wig is clean, you feel more confident. You know you look amazing. Before you start, get everything ready. You'll need a wide tooth comb, which helps remove tangles gently, shampoo and conditioner, choose products made for wigs or natural hair, a towel to absorb excess water, a wig stand to help the wig keep its shape while drying, and lukewarm water. Never use hot water on your wig. Having everything ready makes washing your wig easier. It prevents you from rushing around looking for things. Before washing, detangle the hair. Use a wide tooth comb. Start from the ends and work your way up to the roots. Be gentle. Don't pull on the hair, as this can damage the wig. Detangling removes knots, making washing easier and also preventing breakage. Now let's wash your wig. Keeping your wig clean is essential for maintaining its appearance and longevity. A well-maintained wig not only looks better but also feels more comfortable to wear. Whether you wear your wig daily or occasionally, regular cleaning is a must. Let's dive into the steps to ensure your wig remains sparkling clean and in top condition. Follow these simple steps. First, fill a sink with lukewarm water and add shampoo to the water, mixing it well. It's important to use a shampoo specifically designed for wigs, as regular shampoos can be too harsh and may damage the fibers. Make sure the water is not too hot, as excessive heat can cause the wig fibers to become frizzy or lose their shape. Mix the shampoo thoroughly in the water to create a gentle, soapy solution. Next, submerge the wig in the water and gently swish it around. This helps to loosen any dirt, oil, or product buildup that may be clinging to the fibers. Be gentle during this process to avoid tangling or damaging the wig. Swishing the wig in the soapy water allows the shampoo to penetrate the fibers and clean them thoroughly. Take your time and ensure that the entire wig is exposed to the soapy water. Don't rub or twist the hair. Rubbing or twisting can cause the fibers to tangle or break, which can lead to a frizzy and unmanageable wig. Instead, handle the wig with care, using gentle motions to clean it. If there are any stubborn spots or areas with heavy buildup, you can gently massage those areas with your fingers, but avoid using excessive force. Then, rinse the wig with lukewarm water, making sure all the shampoo is gone. Rinsing is a crucial step to ensure that no shampoo residue is left behind, as this can make the wig look dull and feel sticky. Hold the wig under running water and gently squeeze the fibers to help remove the shampoo. Continue rinsing until the water runs clear and there are no more suds. After that, apply conditioner to the wig, avoiding the roots and focusing on the ends. Using a conditioner specifically formulated for wigs will help to keep the fibers soft and manageable. Apply the conditioner evenly, making sure to cover all the ends, which are more prone to dryness and damage. Avoid applying conditioner to the roots, as this can weigh down the wig and make it look flat. Finally, rinse the wig again with lukewarm water. Just like with the shampoo, it's important to remove all the conditioner to prevent any residue from being left behind. Rinse thoroughly, ensuring that the water runs clear and the wig feels clean and smooth. Proper rinsing will help maintain the wig's natural shine and softness. Washing removes dirt and oil, leaving your wig clean and fresh. After washing, gently squeeze out excess water and place the wig on a towel to blot away additional moisture. Then, let the wig air dry on a wig stand to maintain its shape. Avoid using heat tools like hair dryers, as they can damage the fibers. With these steps, your wig will look and feel as good as new, ready to be styled and worn with confidence. Section 5. Drying your lace front, the air dry method. After washing, it's time to dry. First, gently squeeze out excess water from the wig. Do not rub or twist. Next, place the wig on a wig stand. This helps it maintain its shape. Then, let the wig air dry completely. Avoid using heat, as heat can damage the hair fibers. Air drying does take longer, but it's the best way to protect your wig. Section 6. Maintaining your wig tips for long-lasting beauty. Whether you're new to wearing wigs or a seasoned pro, maintaining your wig is crucial for ensuring it looks its best and lasts as long as possible. In this section, we'll cover some essential tips and tricks to help you keep your wig in top condition. Here are some tips to keep your wig looking amazing. First, always handle your wig with care. When brushing, use a wig brush or a wide-tooth comb to gently detangle the hair. Start from the ends and work your way up to the roots to avoid causing any damage. Applying a detangling spray can also help make the process easier and prevent breakage. Wash your wig every 7 to 10 wears, or more often if you use a lot of styling products. When washing your wig, use cool or lukewarm water and a gentle, sulfate-free shampoo. Avoid scrubbing the hair, as this can cause tangling and damage. Instead, gently swish the wig in the water and use your fingers to lightly cleanse the strands. Rinse thoroughly to remove all shampoo residue. Use products made specifically for wigs. These products are gentle and won't damage the hair. After shampooing, apply a wig conditioner to keep the hair soft and manageable. Leave the conditioner on for a few minutes before rinsing it out with cool water. Avoid using regular hair care products, as they can be too harsh and may cause the wig fibers to deteriorate over time. Avoid using heat on your wig, but if you must, use a low heat setting and a heat protectant spray. High heat can damage the wig fibers, causing them to become dry and brittle. If you need to style your wig with heat, always use a heat protectant spray to minimize damage. Opt for styling tools with adjustable temperature settings and keep the heat as low as possible. Store your wig on a wig stand to help it keep its shape. When you're not wearing your wig, placing it on a wig stand can prevent it from becoming misshapen or tangled. Make sure the stand is in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight, as prolonged exposure to sunlight can cause the wig fibers to fade and weaken. Taking good care of your wig helps it last longer and keeps it looking beautiful. Regular maintenance, gentle handling, and proper storage are key to preserving the quality and appearance of your wig. By following these tips, you can enjoy a gorgeous, long-lasting wig that enhances your style and confidence. Section 7. Wig washing mistakes, what to avoid. Washing your wig properly is crucial to maintaining its look and longevity. However, there are several common mistakes that people often make, which can lead to damage and a shorter lifespan for your wig. Let's go through these mistakes one by one so you can avoid them and keep your wig looking fabulous for as long as possible. Here are some things to avoid when washing your wig. Don't use hot water. Hot water might seem like a good idea for a thorough clean, but it can actually be quite harmful. The high temperature can cause the fibers of the wig to become frizzy and lose their shape. Always opt for lukewarm water instead, as it is gentle on the fibers and still effective in cleaning. Hot water can damage the hair fibers. This is especially true for synthetic wigs, which are more sensitive to heat. The fibers can become brittle and break easily, leading to a wig that looks worn out and unkempt. Even for human hair wigs, hot water can strip away natural oils, leaving the hair dry and more prone to tangling. Don't rub or twist the hair. When washing your wig, it's important to handle it gently. Rubbing or twisting the hair can cause the fibers to tangle and break. Instead, gently swish the wig in the water and use your fingers to lightly work the shampoo through the hair. This will help to clean the wig without causing damage. This can cause tangles and breakage. Once the fibers are tangled, it can be very difficult to get them smooth again without causing further damage. Using a wide-tooth comb or a wig brush designed for detangling can help, but prevention is always better than cure. Handle your wig with care to avoid these issues. Don't use regular shampoo or conditioner. Regular hair care products are formulated for natural hair and can be too harsh for wigs. They can strip the wig of its color and moisture, leaving it looking dull and lifeless. Always use products that are specifically designed for wigs, as they are formulated to be gentle and effective. These products can be too harsh for wigs. They can cause the fibers to become dry and brittle, leading to breakage and a shorter lifespan for your wig. Investing in the right products can make a big difference in how your wig looks and feels. Don't brush the hair when it's wet. Wet hair is more fragile and prone to breakage. Brushing it while it's wet can cause the fibers to stretch and snap. Instead, wait until the wig is completely dry before brushing it. If you need to detangle it while it's wet, use a wide-tooth comb and be very gentle. Wet hair is more fragile and prone to breakage. This is true for both synthetic and human hair wigs. The weight of the water can cause the fibers to stretch and weaken, making them more susceptible to damage. Always handle your wig with care, especially when it's wet. Don't expose the wig to direct sunlight for prolonged periods. Sunlight can cause the color of the wig to fade and the fibers to become dry and brittle. If you need to dry your wig, do so in a shaded area or indoors. Avoid leaving it in direct sunlight for extended periods to keep it looking vibrant and healthy. Avoiding these mistakes will help keep your wig in great condition. By following these tips, you can ensure that your wig stays looking beautiful and lasts for a long time. Remember, a little extra care goes a long way in maintaining the quality and appearance of your wig. Section 8. Special considerations for different types of lace wigs. Different types of lace wigs may require slightly different care. Human hair wigs. Treat them like your own hair. Use high-quality hair products. Synthetic wigs. Use products specifically designed for synthetic hair. Curly wigs. Use a detangling spray and a wide-tooth comb to manage curls. Colored wigs. Use color-safe shampoo and conditioner to prevent fading. Always check the manufacturer's instructions for specific care guidelines for your wig type. Section 9. Knowing when to retire your lace wig. Even with the best care, wigs don't last forever. Here are signs it's time for a new one. The hair is excessively shedding or balding. The wig is tangled beyond repair. The lace is damaged or deteriorating. The wig no longer holds its style. The wig feels rough or dry, even after conditioning. Recognizing when your wig needs replacing ensures you always look your best. Section 10. Love your look. The confidence of a well-maintained wig. A well-maintained wig can boost your confidence. It makes you feel beautiful and unstoppable. Remember to wash your wig regularly, use the right products, and avoid common mistakes. By following these tips, your lace front wig will look amazing. You'll love the way you look and feel. Embrace the versatility and beauty of lace front wigs. Enjoy the confidence they bring.
Haben International Trading